Last month, on a plane ride to Spain, I sat next to an Indigenous woman from the Northwest Territory in Canada. She was traveling to Madrid to speak at the UN Climate Change COP conference, to speak on behalf of her people and their lands. Thawing permafrost is causing the lakes where reindeer water to disappear, affecting hunting grounds and threatening her tribe's livelihood. Now, this is just one example of how climate change affects the environment, people, and animals. A study of 4,000 species showed that half of all species' home ranges are shifting, an untold story of climate change. On land, species are moving at a rate of 10 miles per decade, while in the ocean, this is occurring 4 times faster, and their underwater lives make them even more challenging to study. For this reason, scientists have recommended placing priority on marine species for which there is long-term data available. So this is where my work comes in. Since 1985, the Wild Dolphin Project has monitored 4 generations of free-ranging dolphins in the Bahamas, making it the longest-running underwater dolphin project in the world. Then, in 2013, imagine our shock when the dolphins we had studied on Little Bahama Bank for 28 years were nowhere to be found. After a month of searching on our research vessel, we did find the dolphins, 160 kilometers to the south on Great Bahama Bank, already home to 2 resident communities of dolphins, both bottlenose and spotted dolphins. This marked an unprecedented mass emigration event in cetaceans, the group that includes both whales and dolphins. I am working with the Wild Dolphin Project to collect data and to analyze the dolphins' new home range. This emigration event occurred after a significant decrease in both the sea surface temperature as well as the concentration of chlorophyll A, indicating a decrease in the prey availability. This study presents a unique and rare opportunity to study a marine species for which there's long-term data available, in fact, over 3 decades of data available, and to see how new interactions play out between the resident and the immigrant dolphins. As we confront global climate change, understanding a dramatic population redistribution in one community of dolphins will help to inform our conservation of less studied and vulnerable marine species. And perhaps it will help to protect the livelihood of the people whose lives depend on our oceans. And considering that every other breath we take comes from the ocean, I'd say that's all of us, wouldn't you? Thank you.